Ever had someone blame you just to protect themselves? That feeling has a name in English: throwing someone under the bus. To throw someone under the bus means to betray, blame, or sacrifice someone else for your own benefit. It's informal and almost always negative. Your coworker tells your boss, "Oh, the delay? That was their fault. Under the bus." Your friend blames you for the plan falling apart. Under the bus. Your sibling claims you broke the vase. Classic under the bus move. It's the language of betrayal. The exact origin is debated, but the phrase became popular in the late 20th century, especially in politics and media. It described moments when someone publicly sacrificed another person to save themselves. No literal buses were involved, but the image is powerful, pushing someone else into danger so you can escape. What makes this phrase so emotionally strong is that it usually involves trust: a coworker, a friend, a teammate, someone who was supposed to support you. That's why the phrase feels harsher than simply blaming someone. It suggests self-protection at someone else's expense, especially in public. So next time someone suddenly shifts the blame onto you, you know exactly what to call it. They threw me under the bus. And honestly, most people remember the moment it happens.